Oh, hello there. I'm Blair from the Songbird Generation. We like to have a lot of laughs in our band, and I'd like to show you some of those laughs right now. It's time for fun with the Songbird Generation.
What's going on here, Casey?
Just exercising for the band practice.
An odd stretch.
It is an odd stretch, but it works.
Especially considering you're a vocalist.
Yep.
Hey, this is awkward. 2 band videos.
It is. I'm streaming this live to notacrappyband.com. It's going pretty well. It's a lot of views.
Not a crappy band. Where's our band on there?
Because we rock on so many different levels, but mostly the level where people rock. Oh, I've just got an email from someone. It says, "You guys are so awesome. Come round and see me now." Well, I've got to go.
On our way.
Yeah. Ciao.
So Grace, if you could sleep with any member of the band, who would it be?
Are you recording?
What do you think of the Songbird Generation as one of the general public?
Their music is awesome. And they... Oh fuck, I don't know. Don't record me, it's weird. Fuck off.
What is your name?
Sam Daly,
What do you play?
drums and percussion.
And...
I don't know what that word means.
Just drums.
Other than practicing, we've also been learning harmonies for us. 2, 3, 4! Fuck!
Casey, texting at band practice, are you?
Yep. Are you recording now? Are you actually?
Yeah.
As a general member of the public, what do you think of the Songbird Generation?
Never heard it, thank you.
Hey, Casey.
Yeah?
Maybe less texting, more singing.
Okay.